Hi, all you YouTubers out there. My name is Rob Seary, R-O-B. Last name is Seary, S-E-E-R-E-Y. What I'm going to tell you today is how to start up a company, properly anyways. Alright, what you need to do is first go to the irs.gov website. It will take you 5 minutes, possibly 10, to actually set up an LLC, and it's free. Literally, it's free. Why everybody else in the world tries to make a penny off of this, I don't know. So anyways, you go to the irs.gov website and you want to set up an EIN. It's going to be it's an employer identification number. It allows you to employ people underneath you. You want to set it up as an LLC first. You don't want to do sole proprietor, because that actually separates you from it. Setting up an LLC actually sets up a buffer between you and whatever employees or the world in general. Alright, so now that you have an EIN, then you need to log on to your state. Every state in the US has one. It's called Secretary of State. You can go online. It's generally $45. It will take you approximately 15 minutes to do. And once you have your EIN, then you want to set up your articles of organization. Now, it might sound scary, but it really is not. You want to take whatever your company name is, like mine would be Rob Seary or whatever, Rob Seary, or I would just, whatever name. If you do home furnishing, it'd be homefurnishing.com or LLC. You want to make sure you put that whole thing in there on the registration. Filing your articles of organization, and this will allow you to actually establish a whole corporate structure, like board of directors. It can all revolve inside one person, at least depending on whatever your state says. Arkansas, you only have to have one person to set up a whole corporation. All the entity can reside in one person. So the board of directors, the president, the vice president, the CEO, the CFO, the COO, all these terminologies, you can just Google it and you can find it on Wikipedia and look up what their job functions and titles are actually for. So you literally are the complete executive branch in one person. All you have to do is have a product that you can sell and generate revenue off of. So however you do that, I don't know. Like this pen here, it's a widget, and you got to put a price on it, and then everything else that goes behind it, and then you have to create the whole thing for you to use the pen. Alright, let's see, where are we? Alright, we set up articles of organization. Now, to establish a website, you want to go to Wix.com. It's $150 a year. It's really plug and play, very self-explanatory. Just cruise the web on other things that you might find interesting, or whatever is related to your job, or whatever your field, your industry is. Just use everything else as a template, and then kind of put your own little twist on it. Make it yours. So yeah, they have unlimited web hosting. You can put all your videos, all your movie, everything. You can put pictures on there. It's only $150 a year. Now, what you want to do to get a domain name is you want to register through Google Business Apps. They'll set up all your mailing addresses, all your internal corporate account. It's already basically done for you. And to set it up, it's only $12 a year to get your domain name through Google Business Apps. So however you want to however you want, whatever your name is, whatever .com name is that you want, then that, just type it in there, and then it's only $12 a year to have your own web name. Then when you get web name, then you go back to Wix, and then you link it through Wix. So when people search it, it automatically goes directly to there. Alright, now to shut down a company, you want to go back to your Secretary of State. You pay $150 for dissolution of a company. And then secondly, $50 I think is for filing the paperwork. So it comes out to whatever. Oh, and if you're shutting it down after the corporation or company has been in business for 1 year, then you pay $150 when you close it out for your franchise tax. Because every year you have to reestablish your franchise tax. So that'll be like $350 to shut one down after the company's been in business for 1 year. Now, whatever business that's only if you just want to establish a company. But if whatever city you were doing business in, or if you were setting up a business inside of a city, you have to pay the city tax or city business license, which sometimes it varies from like $75 to $130, something like that per year, depending on what city you're in. Then you want to make sure you go down to whatever county it is and set up make sure you set up your taxabilities there, and then when you close down, you just go back through the same steps. You go to the county, the city, and then you just close everything down that way. That's how you do it. Anyways, I mean, it works great for your school project or whatever, but if you need that 1 year experience, there you go. You just got 1 year's experience at the executive level.